Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to order on the Temu app with cash on delivery. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Temu app and log into your account. Once you are in, browse the available products and add your selected items to the cart. After finalizing your choices, proceed to checkout. Next, enter your shipping address and fill out all required delivery details. Temu offers a variety of payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, online banking, and e-wallets. However, at this time, Temu does not support cash on delivery as a payment method. This policy helps ensure secure transactions and smoother order processing. By eliminating cash handling, Temu can streamline its delivery operations and provide a safer, more efficient shopping experience for both buyers and couriers. So that's basically how you can order on the Temu app with cash on delivery. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.